Every single time you always hype you. Why? What is GK like? What's that? And then you now top it up with now telling me, oh, even if we don't lose, even if we lose, and the game has already ended. Why would you do something like that? You were watching, so what?
When I said that, you didn't always like that, even if you have highest points already.
Now you know that mathematically it was never going to be possible for us to win them. 10 against 5 points. You know that's impossible. I don't really get it, like, I'm not actually there. This whole thing you're doing in Hermes, I don't get it. That's what I'm saying, I'm not even saying it as like the fact that we're together. I'm just telling you, like, based on the fact that we're actually like on the same level, or we're actually supporting each other. Like, if any of us actually makes it to the finals, I'll be supporting you, and I wouldn't now be supporting you, and I'll be maybe Chumzi and I'll be like, Chumzi, hey, or I'll be talking to people about Chumzi, asking them what Chumzi waist size, or what's her leg size. Now, you don't do shit like that. I'm just telling you for real. It's either you're on my side or you're on his side. I don't get it. You cannot be supporting me and supporting him at the same time.
Oh, this is what you should.
Okay. You still don't get it, right? But anyways, that's just it. As your friends, as your boyfriend, or as a level member, it cannot be accepted. You cannot be gassing that guy up every single time. You cannot be gassing him up every single time. Choose a side. Choose a side. And also that I would never do that to you. If it was your team that was there, even if you were not the one arranging that shit, I would never do that to you. Just know that what you did was fucking disrespectful.